Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to play Raptor in the Isle. Once you spawn in, the most important part of the game is to survive and grow your dinosaur. Remember to manage your stamina carefully. Each dinosaur has its own unique way of surviving. Open your dinosaur status by pressing tab on your keyboard. From here, you can see the preferred food for Omniraptor. Since there's no map available in-game, click the asset location shown in this tab. Then open your browser and search for islemaps.com. Here, you can paste your coordinates to see where you spawned. Once you know your location, match it with nearby food sources that suit your diet. You can also use your scent ability by holding Q. If you see a migration zone, herbivores are more likely to gather there. As a raptor, coordinate with your pack. Omniraptors rely on speed, bleed damage, and teamwork rather than raw strength. Take turns pressuring targets, force them to waste stamina, and finish them when they are weak. And that's how to play Raptor in the Isle. Thank you so much for watching.